So as you begin your SEO program in our course, one of the major things and the major tools you're going to be utilizing is Google Search Console. And in this video, we are going to be creating a Google Search Console for scratch. So I'm going to use a fresh project, right, to show you what to create, how to create a Google Search Console, because that's going to be like a major tool you're going to be using. Also along the line, if you decide to move into optimizing for Bing as well, right, we're going to also be showing you how to create a webmaster account. So if you're ready, let's go. So over here, all you just need to do, first of all, you can type Search Console, Google Search Console. The first result you see, it's Google Search Console. So when you click it here, this is what you're going to see. Here, all you just need to do, you could want to read if you want to, or you can just do start now. Automatically, you have an account, right? So if you see here, these are some existing project that is already on this account that has been closed down for some reasons, right? But that should not scare you. What you're going to see add property here, which is the major thing, right? You click add property, you put in your domain name. Let's use SEO doubles, right, .com. I'm just giving you an instance, right? So when you do SEO doubles.com, it will take you to continue, and it's saying verifying property. Now, this is where it makes sense because you have, which of course I want to believe that you have CPanel access or backend access to your hosting platform, right? If you are using Blogger, I'm going to be showing you what next to do with Blogger, right? You don't need to go through this route, this DNS route on Blogger. On Blogger, you just need to copy this code here and paste it on your HTML file. But if you're using a domain and if you have a backend, all you just need to do, you need to create an account. You create a new record, right? You create a new record and add this to the record. It's called a TXT. You create a new TXT record and add it to the record and verify, and that will be all. And when you click on verify, you see a verification tick here showing verified, and that is how to create a Google Search Console account to launch your new SEO project. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.